Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got some recommendations for purchasing a new laptop with extreme battery life power to performance in 2024.
Intel laptops. You can now purchase new Intel laptops equipped with 14th generation processors. These processors have been rebranded as Core Ultra. Additionally, Intel's 15th generation laptops featuring Arrow Lake processors are also available in 2024. Let's compare Intel 13th Gen versus Intel 14th Gen Core Ultra processors. Performance. 14th Gen processors offer improved performance over the 13th Gen. However, the difference is generally modest, around 1% to 5% depending on the application. While still capable, 13th Gen CPUs may lag slightly behind in raw performance. Battery life. Intel claims that the new 14th Gen processors can be up to 20% more efficient than the previous generations, resulting in longer battery life and lower power consumption for laptops. 13th Gen CPUs, although not as power efficient, they still provide decent battery life. Although 13th Gen CPUs are not power efficient as 14th Gen CPUs, but they still provide good battery life. 14th Gen processors prioritize efficiency. Now they focuses on efficiency cores first, utilizing performance cores only when necessary. But 13th Gen CPUs prioritize performance cores first. Then it affects the battery life.
Ryzen laptops.
Now you can purchase new Ryzen laptops equipped with Ryzen AI processors. These processors are also optimized for AI workloads, making them ideal for various tasks. While specific usage scenarios vary, some devices powered by Ryzen AI 300 series chips can achieve up to 21 hours of battery life. While previous Ryzen generations were strong in terms of raw performance and efficiency, Ryzen AI takes it a step further by specializing in AI, making it a compelling choice for users who heavily rely on AI applications.
New Qualcomm laptops.
The Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite processors for laptops are making waves in the market. You can get up to 14 hours of battery life with a Snapdragon laptop. The Snapdragon X Elite features 12 cores, including a powerful NPU.
CPU comparison.
Here's a concise summary of the battery life for each processor. Remember that actual battery life can vary based on usage. At the end of this video series, I want to say, follow these tips to get more battery time. Be sure to watch the previous laptop battery videos to learn other ways to save laptop battery life. Additionally, consider extending your battery life by replacing the SSD with an older HDD.
If you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips. Don't forget to hit that like button.